I'm Katie and I'm going to show you how to create a containerised garden. Whether it's a pot on your balcony or a vertical garden, there's no end to what you can grow. To create a containerised garden, you will need pots, plants, gloves, weeding fork, trowel, watering can, seaweed solution and potting mix. Step 1, select a spot. Depending on where you're planting, most plants like a good sunny spot. An outdoor deck like this is perfect. Step 2, choose a pot. When choosing your pot, it's always really good to consider the size of your plant. There are a range of pots you can choose from, like fiberglass, ceramic, or even something like terracotta. Step 3, pick your plants. There's no end to what you can grow in a containerised garden. For example, select plants to provide a pop of colour. Plant them en masse or mix it up with different colours and textures. Step 4, plant it up. When it's time to plant, the first thing you'll need to do is fill your pot with potting mix. Use a quality potting mix as it will include extra goodies such as fertiliser. Step 5, make a hole. Use your trowel to create holes for each seedling. Each hole needs to be double the size of the seedling's roots. Step 6, plant the seedling. Squeeze around the roots of the punnet and then gently remove the seedling. Once you put your seedling in the hole, gently push your soil around the roots. It's a good idea to plant it to the same depth as in the punnet. Step 7, water in. Water in your seedlings. A good tip is to use a seaweed solution. Step 8, place in position. Put your pot in position, keep it well watered, and you're sure to be happy with the results. So that's it. Now you can make your very own containerised garden.